Welcome back. So we've been looking at the past, present, future of the industry, past, present, future of the sector, the competitors, and pestle as well as market forces. Now it's time for us to focus our attention on our own products and services. Now here's the deal. You obviously had in mind certain products and services that you wanted to provide to a niche. And I want to suggest that you must focus on a particular niche in the beginning, even though you may be able to sell your product to a mass audience. So going back to the hairdressers example, you might focus on creating hairstyles for the 40 plus or the 50 plus or the 30 plus. Even though you know that a 20-something may come to your salon or a 50-something may come to your salon if you're providing a particular product for a 30-something or 30 to 40 years old. So the point is focus on a particular niche. Now, haven't looked at your competitors, looking at what's going on in the industry, how external factors can affect you, then you're able to tweak your products or services in such a way that your business model begins to make money or has a better chance of success. Now, once you've done that, you now need to create what I want to call the minimum viable product. And this borrows the language of lean startup. If you Google a book by Eric Ries called Lean Startup, it's a very good book for you to read because it explains this a little bit more detail. But the concept is this. When you create a product, you want to release a minimum viable product, not a I've finished everything, this is a perfect product. No, because in the beginning, the reality is that you don't have a perfectly finished product. But you have a product that can work. You have a product that can solve certain problems, that takes away certain pains, and that adds value to your niche. You want to test that product with a group of people by getting them to actually engage with it, to use it, or you want to present your service to a particular group of people, your niche, that you know has the problems that your product is likely to solve. Because what you're trying to do by testing your product is to create what I call a market fit product. You may not have a market fit product, which is a product that fits with your niche perfectly yet. You may not have it yet, but as you begin to communicate by releasing a minimum viable product to your niche, you begin to generate feedback, tweak the product, getting certain test results, going back to your niche, tweaking your product, then you'll have a market fit product. That product is what we take forward to the next part of the marketing plan. So all this needs to be documented. So what products and services are you going to release? How much are you going to charge for it? What kind of tests have you done with that product? What were the results of the test? How did you tweak? How did you generate feedback, go back, tweak? And you document all this because it helps you to fully understand the process. And it also helps you to know that really by the time you come to releasing your product or launching fully your business, you have a product that actually fits what your customer wants. Because one of the reasons why many businesses fail is because they have products that people do not want to buy. So the only way you're going to create a product that people want to buy is to test and to eliminate any hypothesis that you thought could be right, but you could actually be wrong. You need to release your minimum viable product, test the product, generate results, generate feedback, tweak the products, and then move forward. So I'll come back with a little bit more on this.